Making sense of semicolons and conjunctive adverbs. Hello language learners! Today we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of English grammar, punctuating compound sentences. More specifically, we'll be looking at how to use semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. Don't worry if these terms sound intimidating. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of them. Let's start with the basics. A compound sentence is made up of two or more independent clauses that are connected in a way that shows their relationship. Independent clauses are sentences that can stand on their own. They have a subject and a verb and make a complete thought. Here's an example of a compound sentence. I like to read books. I also enjoy writing. In this sentence, we have two independent clauses. I like to read books, and I also enjoy writing. They're connected by a semicolon, winking face. Now, let's talk about conjunctive adverbs. These are words that connect two independent clauses. Some common conjunctive adverbs include words like however, therefore, moreover, consequently, and otherwise. They are used to show cause and effect, sequence, contrast, comparison, or other relationships. For example, I studied hard for the test. Therefore, I did well. Now we reach the heart of the matter. Using semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. When a conjunctive adverb connects two independent clauses in a compound sentence, it is preceded by a semicolon and followed by a comma. Here's the format. Clause. Conjunctive adverb. Clause. Let's look at an example. Mary enjoys hiking. However, she doesn't like camping. See how, however, is sandwiched between a semicolon and a comma. That's the rule. The best way to understand this is to practice it. Here are a few more examples. John loves to cook. Moreover, he has started a cooking blog. I was tired. Therefore, I decided to go to bed early. She was running late. Still, she managed to catch the train. There you have it, friends. We've covered how to punctuate compound sentences using semicolons and conjunctive adverbs. This might seem tricky at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. Remember, English is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to mastering the language. Keep practicing and happy learning.